Hello children, today let's begin with the chapter 2. Where do we use computers? First let's learn objectives. Identify different places where computers are used. Know how computers help us. Recognize uses of computers. Computers are used everywhere. They help us in many ways. Computers at home. We can play games on computers. We can watch cartoons and movies on them. We can listen to music on computers. We can also draw pictures and color them. Computers help us do our homework. We can search for information using the internet. Computers in school. Computers are used in schools to teach us many things. Teachers use computers to show videos and pictures. We can learn new subjects on computers. In the computer lab, we learn how to use computers. We learn to type and use programs. Computers in offices. People use computers in offices for work. They write letters and send emails. They make reports and presentations. Computers help store important information. Computers make office work easy and fast. Computers in shops. Shopkeepers use computers to manage their goods. They can easily check how many items they have on a computer. When we buy items, the shopkeeper uses a computer to make a bill. Computers in hospitals. In hospitals, doctors use computers to see health reports. Computers are used to keep records of patients' health. Computers help in doing tests like X-rays and scans. Computers also help in surgeries. Computers in banks. When we deposit or withdraw money, computers update our accounts. We can use ATMs, which are computers, to take out money anytime. Computers help in transferring money. Computers in police stations. Police use computers to keep records of cases and criminals. Computers help the police find and catch criminals. They use computers to track vehicles and phones. Computers also help in managing traffic. Computers in railway stations and airports. We can buy tickets online using computers. At railway stations and airports, computers show timings of trains and flights. Computers guide aeroplanes and trains to move safely. Computers in space and defense. Scientists use computers to explore and study stars and planets. Computers control rockets and satellites. In defense, computers help the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Computers help in designing and controlling weapons. Let's get back to the summary of the chapter. Computers help us in many ways. We use computers at home for games and homework. Teachers use computers in school to teach us. People use computers in offices to work. Shopkeepers use computers to make bills. Doctors use computers in hospitals to see health reports. Banks use computers to manage our accounts. Thank you.